Alright everybody, we're back at the Germantown Menards, and guess what? 2 weeks later, they're almost done now. All they have to do is install the call button into firefighter operations. They just painted the wall completely. See, up, this is the first floor view. See, and they even put up signs too for the elevator. Now we're gonna take a look at. I'm not gonna stay too long because I do have to get going pretty soon. But we're gonna check the second floor now. Here goes the jingle. Here's the second floor view. And they just painted the new walls now. Oh, the door is still open somehow. I might do an update on this thing every 2 weeks from now. So yep, as you can see, this is what the elevator looks like 2 weeks later. The last time I was here, you can see the walls that are not painted, they're now painted. All that they're missing is the call button. One more time, you have the COP. Here's inside the firefighter operations cabinet. Lantern. Wonder when this thing was gonna get done. And they closed up the machine room now, but did get a view of it last time, but now it's closed. So yep, there you guys go. Here's an update on the second update on the Schumacher hydraulic elevator here at the Menards in Germantown, Wisconsin. So yep, they are almost done. They just need the call buttons and the firefighter operations and an inspection test, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know if this is going to be the final update, but this probably won't be, because I'm going to check this thing again probably in the next 2 weeks or so, see how it's doing. So yep, that's it. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this update number 2 video of the Schumacher hydraulic elevator at Menards in Germantown. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe. Turn the bell for the post notifications. That being said, that's it.